Let me tell you a quick story. Just the other day, I was playing around with a few photos. Nothing serious, just experimenting. I stumbled upon this free tool, and out of curiosity, I tried face swapping a few images. And the results? Mind-blowing. It worked effortlessly, and the accuracy was unreal. In some cases, even I couldn't tell it was edited. It was that good. And here's the best part. It's absolutely free. And no watermark nonsense either. Now, if you're someone who scrolls through social media often, I'm sure you've seen the Ghibli-Style image trend. It's everywhere. Those dreamy anime-style portraits that look straight out of a movie. Most people think you need ChatGPT Plus or some high-end subscription to make them. And yes, free users do get a few tries, but let's be honest, they take forever to process. But here's the exciting part. Today, I'm going to share a secret tool with you. One that not only lets you create Ghibli-style portraits, but also allows you to turn photos into sketches, create stunning face swaps, and much more. The best part? It's 100% free and ridiculously fast. So buckle up and stay with me, because I'm about to walk you through everything step by step. This could easily become your new go-to creative playground. Now, without wasting any more time, let's get started. Alright, the tool we will be using today is called PixNova. I have been using this tool for quite some time now, and it's really awesome. To get started, simply click on the link in the description and sign up using your email ID. After that, you will see an interface like this. As you can see, it has a pretty simple and straightforward interface. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, you will be able to see all the different kinds of tools it has, and all of them are absolutely free. You can see from here, you can photo face swap, and you can also video face swap, which is just awesome. Next, in this section, you can see it has cool tools like AI body generator, AI clothes changer, and so many other tools. You can literally go crazy with this. Next, here you can see it has an image upscaler, which is a very useful tool. Then it also has a face enhancer and whatnot. Trust me guys, no other tool will give you access to all these useful tools for free. So make sure you take full advantage of this awesome tool. Next, it also has a watermark remover, which is very useful, and it also has a background remover. I'm telling you, this is a content creation powerhouse. Now, let's try some of the tools and see how good they are. First, let's try the face swap option. So I will hover here and then select face swap. Then it will take you to this page. Now, if you scroll down from here, you can choose whether to photo or video swap. First, let's try the photo one. Now here you need to upload the source image. I will upload this one. And now here you need to upload the target face image. I will upload this one. After that, just click on Start Face Swapping and let the AI do its magic. It really doesn't take much long time, and here's the output. As you can see, it looks absolutely stunning. I am very much amazed with the result. If you show this to someone, I am sure they won't be able to tell it's face swapped at a first glance. It's actually that good. Here's a before and after comparison. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And this tool is completely uncensored, by the way, so you can go really wild with this tool. And now, let's try the video face swap option. For the source video, I will upload this video, and for the face, I will go with this one and click on Start Face Swapping. And here's the output. Wow, it looks awesome. The face remains constant throughout the video, and it doesn't look too weird or distorted. I am quite happy with the result. Now with this face swap tool, you can create videos of your virtual AI influencer, like some of these accounts are doing, and earn some extra cash, if you know what I mean. And yes, all these videos are face swapped, and just look at the views they are getting. And now, you can do it too. And now let's try to generate some Studio Ghibli-style images. To do that, go to Art Generator, and select Studio Ghibli, and then it will take you to this interface. Now let's give it a prompt. I will give this prompt that I have generated using ChatGPT. Next, you can also change the aspect ratio from here if you want. I will choose this one and hit generate. And here is the output. Wow, this looks absolutely stunning. Just look at this. This is so soothing and peaceful. Now you can add some motion to this image using Immersity AI and create awesome nature reels like this, which can go absolutely viral, just like this account is doing, and you can see how many views they are bringing in. It's absolutely crazy. And now let me show you how you can turn any image into a sketch. To do that, go to AI Fun Tools and click Select AI Photo to Sketch. Next, scroll down and upload your image here. I will upload this image and click on Generate, and here's the output. It looks nice, doesn't it? The AI was able to turn the image into a sketch, and it did a pretty good job if you ask me. Now you can take this sketch and create awesome speed painting videos like this. Isn't this awesome? I am telling you, you're only limited by your imagination. And now let me show you my favorite feature of this tool. It's the Photo to Anime tool. To use it, go to AI Fun Tools and select AI Photo to Anime. Then scroll down and upload your image here. I will upload this one. Next, in the prompt section, you can give it a specific prompt if you want. I will just keep it at default and click on Generate. And here's the output. Oh my god, just look at this, folks. Doesn't it look absolutely stunning? The AI was able to scan the image properly and then turn it into anime, which is so cool. Now you can turn any image into an anime masterpiece with this tool. And all of this is for absolutely free, which is just crazy to think about. And now let's try the image upscale option. To do that, go to AI Photo Tools and select Image Upscaler. Next, upload the image that you want to upscale here. After that, you can select how much upscaling you want to apply. I will keep it at default and click Upscale it. And here's the output. As you can see, the AI was able to upscale the image, and it looks pretty good too. Here is a before and after comparison. As you can see, the upscaled image looks way more clearer. Now, apart from all these, as you can see, it has so many other different tools to help you create content, and all of the tools are absolutely free. Now, they might not be free forever, so make sure you are taking full advantage of this amazing tool. I will put the link in the description. Trust me, guys, people are making tons of money by creating AI contents, and you can do it too. Just believe in yourself and start taking action. I'm always here to help you guys. You just need to take the first step, which is the hardest part. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, keep grinding.